Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the magical slash Madoka set on Dress to Impress. So I don't know if it's still there, but it was in the currency items. It's still here. It's called Myra the Magical Girl. Select view, and you're just going to select the pieces that you haven't owned yet, and you're just going to purchase it. As you can see, I have the completed set already. If you already have the magical girl set before it got reworked, you only need to purchase a few items. I really like the set because the shoes can turn into ballet shoes. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.